In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into OpenSea. First, open your browser and head to OpenSea.io. Double check the address bar so you know you're on the official site. Small typos can lead to phishing pages. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. That's the entry point to connect your account. A panel will appear with several ways to sign in. If you use MetaMask, choose MetaMask. Your browser extension or mobile app will prompt you to unlock and then approve a signature request. This signature simply proves you own the wallet. It doesn't cost gas and it isn't a transaction. If your primary wallet is on the Base network, select Base account. This connects an address that lives on Base and works the same way. You'll confirm a signature and you're in. Prefer using your favorite mobile wallet? Pick Wallet Connect. On desktop, you'll see a QR code to scan from your wallet app. On mobile, you'll get a handoff to complete the connection. Approve the signature in your wallet to proceed. You might also see Abstract as an option. This lets you connect a smart account supported by Abstract. The flow is similar. Review the request, then approve the signature to authenticate. If you're a Coinbase Wallet user, choose Coinbase Wallet. Whether you use the mobile app or the browser extension, unlock it and confirm the signature prompt to complete login. And if you don't want to use a crypto wallet right now, you can continue with email. Enter your email address, check your inbox for a one-time code or magic link, and confirm. This method is convenient, but remember that you'll need a wallet connected when you want to buy, sell, or transfer NFTs. After you finish any of these login options, you'll land on your profile page. From there, you can view your collected items, favorites, and activity. If you connected a new wallet, take a moment to verify your display name and profile settings so everything looks the way you expect. Quick safety reminders as you log in. Never share your recovery phrase, avoid approving unknown transactions, and only sign messages you initiated from OpenSea.io. If something looks off, cancel and start again from the home page. That's it. You've successfully logged into OpenSea using the method that fits you best. For quicker, safer logins in the future, bookmark OpenSea.io, keep your wallet extension up to date, and use device-level security like biometrics or a strong passcode on your phone.